Sorry I had to give you a wet print, Joe. You said you were in a hurry.
That's all right, Jim. Freeman, remember good?
Sure, no question about that. Positive all the way.
Did you run up any portable finds?
They'll be here in a minute. Oh, I left Garcia in the lab. As I was walking out, he was putting his photo on the soup, so he should be here in a minute.
Fine, Jim.
Hey, Joe, I thought you said Garcia and I were working on the same case.
Well, I did. Why? p.m. There was no question in our minds that both artists were accurate. Either George Freeman or Eve Kruger had lied, or now we were looking for two different suspects.
You might be right. There's an outside chance he'll show up at that social tonight.
Well, it's a long shot, but at least we can show these composites. Talk around, we might get lucky. Possibility contacted some of the other women there. It's a long shot, I'll admit, but right now all we got's a pound of air.
I was hoping my last one might be an easy one.
There ain't any. 9:43. The social was underway. For a Lonely Hearts Club, nobody seemed very lonely. There was a good crowd on hand.
Nice to see you again, Adams. You'll find the refreshment center on your left if you're in the Garden of Eden. Enjoy yourselves.
I don't see Miss Kruger around, do you?
No, I don't.
I'd sure like to know why her version of that suspect is so different from Freeman's.
Make your bet. She lied to protect the good name of the temple. I'll work the far end of the room, Joe. Pardon me. Excuse me.
How you doing there tonight, Adam? Great party. Lots of people. Most of them are run down, though. Prunes. This is the answer. Join me.
I beg your pardon?
Nature's gift of gold to mankind. Solve half the world's problems. More people that eat prunes.
You wouldn't happen to know a man by the name of Johnson, would you?
Adam Johnson, no. Know a couple swell-looking Eves last name with Johnson, though.
Thank you.
Hey, I'll tell you what's real good for you. Prune yogurt. That stuff will make a man out of you.
Yeah, I'm sure it will. I'll see you around.
These don't look like the Adam Johnson I know.
Not a bit. Never seen either one of them before.
Thanks very much.
I'm sorry, Adam. We can't help you.
You're sure? Well, thanks anyway.
Adam, what is your last name?
Friday.
Well, Adam Friday, I don't believe you know Eve Sorensen. Girls, let us have some punch.
Isn't the garden lovely tonight? Don't you think?
I wouldn't know. I wasn't here last month.
It was real nice. I mean, all the flowers and everything. I thought we might... Well, I just thought we might dance.
Some other time, maybe.
Oh, I think I Pardon me. My name is Eve Sorensen. Isn't the garden lovely tonight?
No, sir. I'm positive. That's him. You know, I never forget a face. Yes, sir. I'd swear on a stack of Bibles. That's him. What'd you find?
I wonder if you'd step down to the other end of the room with me, Mr. Rodman.
Sure thing, Adam. Oh, say, is it all right if I bring this along?
Fine. Excuse me, miss. Pardon me, miss.
Johnson, and I'm supposed to guess which one he is. Is that the idea?
No, ma'am. If you're not sure, please don't guess.
Oh, I'd really like to win this one. Last month I lost out on that trip to Catalina. An entire weekend for two. Would this by any chance be for two?
No, ma'am. I'm afraid you got it wrong. There's no prize.
Pardon me, miss. Thank you. Excuse me, miss. Excuse me, miss. Could we get through, please?
You bet your bird.
Sorry.
No. I'm sorry to say I've never seen either one of these men before.
Well, thanks anyway.
Are they friends of yours?
Well, no, not